You are going to love 2012 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, rear parking aid. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.